Hi, my name is Kim Goeltom, and I'm a certified master wellness coach through the International Association of Wellness Professionals, as well as the founder of the Empowered Living for Superwoman Program. I'm excited to be sharing with you a super easy, super fast recipe that will actually help with your digestive tract and relax your body. Who knew rice had these kinds of powerful components? Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you how to make rice pudding in a moment. But first I just wanted to share with you, whole grain rice actually has insoluble fiber. And so what that means is that when the fiber enters your digestive tract, it actually slows the process down, making you feel full, but then it also pushes out what you need to eliminate. So people have found, or I should say researchers have found, you can Google this on the NIH website, but they have found that this can help with IBS, any kind of bowel challenges, constipation, and of course when you release, our bodies feel relaxed and have the ability to start feeling nourished again. So this is a super easy and great for your digestive tract recipe. So let's get started. Rice pudding. First of all, I've got my handy dandy Instant Pot here, which I absolutely love, and I've got all my ingredients. I'm going to make sure that I have this recipe, in the description, so you don't have to worry about writing everything down as we go. So, first of all, you put all the ingredients in here and then stir it well. So we've got water, and I have everything pre-measured to make it easier so you don't have to wait. I've got short grain, and this is organic whole grain rice. And why I'm using short grain for rice pudding is it actually makes it creamier. Who doesn't want creamier? I've got my cinnamon, just a tiny dash of salt. I have date syrup, which I absolutely love. And coconut from a can. So this is coconut milk in a can that you get at your grocery store. So you'll notice it is a little bit thicker. So it's thick, but it also has the liquid. This isn't the canned coconut cream. This is the canned coconut, unsweetened. Okay. Then, get out my trusty lid. Want to make sure that I have the seal in well. Close that. We've got the little steam valve up here. Want to make sure that that is not in the venting. I have my little extra attachment guide that I love, this little tool. Then you just want to go to manual and put it at 3 minutes. And now you can take a break, go back to doing whatever it is you're doing, and we'll be back as soon as this is done. How easy was that? Rice pudding. So hi, we're back. The Instant Pot is done, but I did want to make a note. I made a faux pas when I put the lid on. Did you notice I forgot to stir all the ingredients together? So after I had turned off the video, I did turn off the Instant Pot, reopened the lid, gave it a very good stir, and then started it back up. So I apologize for that, but I figure, hey, we're all human, so it happens. So if that happens, you can do just what I just did. Okay, so we are all ready. Now we're going to make sure that it is all the steam has been released and vented. Yes, it has. Yay. Because you always want to be careful and make sure all the steam is released because you don't want to open this and potentially burn yourself. Okay, so then I can slide it over to the open. And there we go. Oh, and it looks amazing. So excited. So here we go. We've got our rice pudding right here. You can add craisins, you can add raisins, you can add, apparently I should have got a different spoon. But anywho, this is just so exciting. Oh, I just love this. This is one of those you can eat warm, you can eat cold. I have some berries, so I was just going to add my berries to this. You could add coconut shavings. Of course, you can get creative. You could do, like a pumpkin pie spice, really anything that you would like. So there you go. There is your easy Instant Pot rice pudding recipe, and I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.